What's your name?
Oil.
How old are you?
5.
What's your favorite thing to do?
Play Star Wars like game.
Who's your best friend?
Riley and Trevor.
What's your favorite TV show?
Scooby-Doo.
Which is your favorite, mommy or daddy?
You guys.
You're smart beyond your years, boy. Who do you like better, Greta or Lily?
Greta and Lily.
You like them both. Hear that, Lily? What do you say about that, girl? Lily? What do you think, kitty? Lily? Yeah.
Kitty burped.
Did she?
Yeah. She always burps.
What's that, girl? What is it?
She burped again.
That was a meow. It wasn't a burp.
Meows are burps.
I love you, Will.
Love you too, Dad.
You want to play more Star Wars Lego game?
No.
Okay.